Hi everyone, my name is Joyful Judy and thank you all for joining me. I am going to make a Brussels sprout and you can make it too. It's one of the most easiest and delicious simple side dish that you can make. First, we start off with Brussels sprouts. What you do with the Brussels sprout, I wash them thoroughly, clean them off, and you let them out. You dry them with a towel, paper towel. You just dry them and clean them, and you must take off the stem. Okay? So I washed them off already, and I removed the stems off of them. I left one stem off to show you how I do it. I just cut the stem over here, and then if you see anything like extra on the Brussels sprout, like any little like things you think that shouldn't be there, like any dark spots or anything, okay, and I take that off, and there it is already, and I washed these off already. So that's just cutting up the Brussels sprout. The next thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna add in some salt and pepper. Okay, it's so simple. The reason why I'm using salt, I don't like using salt, but this is so simple. Salt, pepper, and lots of pepper. That's much pepper, right? Okay, I like a lot of pepper, so I put some more pepper in there, right? This is so simple, everyone. And then you can use olive oil, any oil you have. Usually you can use olive oil, and you just pour it on like this. You can put it in the bag and mix it up. And make sure oil get on everything. And you know what? I love butter, and most people use olive oil, but if you don't have olive oil, use your butter, everyone. And just sip like this and make sure everything gets around it. The oil gets all over all of it. Okay, make sure you put it all on it. Look at, and then I let the system around like this. Make sure everything gets on everything. Okay. And what I'm gonna do, we're gonna put this in the oven, 400 degrees, between 30 and 35 minutes. And the next time you see these Brussels sprouts, it will be cooked. Hi everybody, here are the Brussels sprouts. I can't wait to bite into it. I'm gonna eat everything up, everyone. It's delicious. You have that chewy flavor mixed with the nice saute flavor. You have that nice little burn in it. It's not burn, but it's nice and crispy, and it tastes delicious. Tastes better than, it reminds me of a little cabbage, but a little more tastier. It's delicious, everyone. Okay, I'm not gonna keep eating because once I start eating, I'm not stop. Well, everyone, I just want to say, this Brussels sprout is a hit. Make this for your children. They would love to eat them. A small, the bite size, and a few ingredients. Just salt, pepper. If you don't want salt, you don't have to use salt. But I like salt because it brings out the flavor of the Brussels sprout. Salt, pepper, olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, use some butter. I'm telling you, this is delicious on 400 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Well, everyone, that is it. I want to thank you all for watching and listening. Until next time, don't forget God is good. Bye-bye. Love you.